in this virtual learning programs, Indian Geography Session 4. So here we are having a short video related to the meteorites and the comets. So let's revise those topics what we discussed till now in Indian Geography. We are giving focus to this tree importantly. We talk about the universe, galaxies, Milky Way, constellations, solar systems and all, right? So now we have to know about some simple top, and basically we need to really have an awareness about the earth, its rotation, climate and all those points. Okay, so let's start with the small session in these topics. So here we are dealing with the last portion, that is very simple one, meteorites and comets. Okay, so meteorites are very simple aspects, that is meteorites have vary in size from tiny grains to large boulders. Okay, and the largest one we find till now is Hoba, it's Africa. Okay, and the most are either iron or stony or the mix of these two, stony iron. Okay, and Leonid Mac, it was an airborne mission. There, using this mission, we studied the interaction of the meteor with the earth. That means it will enter into the surface atmosphere and will burn out, right? So that is we studied this one using the Leonid Mac. So meteorites and the meteors cannot support life but can provide earth with a source of amino acids. So this having a combination of amino acids with them. So meteorites becomes meteorites or shooting stars when they interact with the planet's atmosphere. When it have a friction with it, it will burn down. We can see it as a shooting star. Then comes the meteors or showers or meteor showers that are associated with the comets. And we have to connect those missions that is connected with some comets. Leonid is a mission connected with the comet Tempel and Tuttle, and Aquarids and Orinoids are connected with the comet Halley, and Turrids is connected with the comet Enki. We learned many. We studied almost this much comets, and we use these missions for studying these comets and all. So this is the important and the basic simple aspects related to the meteorites. Then we talk about the comets. Okay, the comets are those comic snowballs of frozen gases or rocks, etc. It warms up as it comes near the sun and develops an atmosphere. That is the highlight of the comets. And comets definitely don't have any moon or any ring. Okay, and we have some missions associated with the comets. That missions that collect samples from the comets. For example, Stardust Next, Deep Impact Epoxy are the important mission associated with this. And we definitely heard about one point, that is comet Halley. Halley comet is visible from Earth in every 75 to 76 years. So next we are expecting this Halley comet in 2061. Let's see how many of you can see it. Okay, so these two small topics we discussed about in this session is meteorites and comets. Why I am not discussing any further topic in this session? Because we need to discuss more and in deep about the earth and its atmosphere and all those points. So next section we are discussing about the earth only, okay? And the important highlight point, today we discuss about the meteorites, and the important point when we discuss this slide, we almost cover the first tree, that is universe, galaxy, Milky Way, constellation, solar systems, Mercury, Venus and all those points. But we need to know about the earth in specific in the next session. What is earth lithosphere, what is earth hydrosphere, what is earth atmosphere and lot more. And after completing this session we will move to the Indian geography and then the world geography. Okay, so these are the basics topics related to the geography. Go through this. We know the terms and everything. Next sessions we discuss about the earth. Keep watching. Thank you so much.